highly productive manufacturing, a synonym for the G160 machines and the VTC 100. The machines produces input shafts in a few seconds and in high quantities. The process is realized in just one setup per machine. The automation takes over the loading and unloading via a workpiece gripper, which is integrated on the turret. In this video, we demonstrate a special use case.
That's right, we are demonstrating here the direct interlinking of hard machining of input shafts on the VTC 100 and the gear grinding on the G160 of EMAG SU by a Fanuc robot. The interlinking eliminates the need of manual handling of the semi-finished parts. That makes the manufacturing process, which is already high productive by the strong machines, even more efficient. Due to the short cycle times and the high autonomy, we are able to reduce the cost per piece and increase the sales for our customers.